Hi guys, Grandad's postbag time, postman's bin. Disappointing again, it actually tells me what it is on the outside. Door Lock Actuator. I bought this because I did a series of videos on making an electric door lock, because somebody asked me to make one, radio controlled, which I did. And I keep getting questions on it. This was probably 2 years ago I did it. So I've bought one of these. It's the electric actuator for a car. Electric central locking system. So, as it's for a car, it's 12 volts. I've got a 9-volt battery here I can use. Just connect it on there, I expect, can't we? See what happens. I assume that means it's got a spring in it that's pushing it back out again. Let's just zoom in a bit more. Okay, so battery on it, and it pulls the bolt in. Battery off, and it ought to go back out again. What happens if we reverse it? Right, so reverse pushes it out, and that way pulls it in. So there we go. With that, we ought to be able to make a door lock. And we need to work out a switching mechanism that will reverse the polarity. So we need positive and negative one way. We need an off position, and then we need negative and positive the other way. So that'll be an upcoming project sometime. As usual, the eBay link will be in the video description, and I always suggest you do your own search because you'll probably find the same item cheaper or a better quality item.